Now our next topic is economic impact on India by Britishers. When Britishers were ruling our country, what was the impact on economy of our country? Actually, economy, you know that it was backbone of our country of that period of time, because most probably we export everything, right? And we were one of the the most independent country and enviable country of that period of time, because we export such things no other country export at that period of time. But in the span of 100 years, what happened, our spine, or you can say our economic the consistency that has been completely deteriorated, यानी खत्म हो गई थी उस वक्त. The reason was first that we were most independent country, and then we became a dependent country. Till 1756 we were exporting sugar, cotton, silk, everything at that period of time. But slowly what happened, all the control will be taken after 1756. All the control will be taken by whom? By Britishers. So economically they have controlled our self. Then the second system was dual policy, power policy. इसको द्विमुखी शासन भी कहा जाता था. द्विमुखी means what? Dual power policy means what? Like Britishers will also control the state, and for example Nizam also will control the state. But Britishers will take care of what? Britishers will take care of all the revenue collection, all the taxes collection, all the official work will be done by whom? By the Britishers. And what the Nizam or other king or other prince will do? They will take care of the whole people of that region. So the whole power means revenue will be under control of whom? Britishers. So because of that, what happened? We were completely collapsed because of that. Then our two things were very important and very favorable for our economic system of that period of time. One was industries, and second were peasants, those who make muslin, silk, cotton, everything. So what they get into a debt trap, or you can say they were completely collapsed. The reason why they collapsed, because Britishers have they have imposed on them unfair tax, revenue collection. If they will not give a proper tax, or they will not give us proper Britishers will not get proper revenue, then what they will do, they will punish them, they will lash out them all, and they have imposed heavy taxes, like 80% of tax will be paid by peasants if they have to make or purchase a raw material, and Britishers were not paying anything. So whatever the finished product comes, right? The finished product always for Britishers was very less price, and for peasants it was very high price. So peasants cannot sell in the market at that period of time. So because of that, what happened? Peasants were completely collapsed. Even industries were collapsed at that period of time. So slowly what happened, because of all this thing, our economy system was completely collapsed at that period of time, and everything will be controlled by Britishers. Now another topic is social impact of on India. Now when we talk about the social impact, first we should understand that because of the many reforms made by Britishers, there were many changes came into our country. Now first was freedom of speech, right? Because of what the freedom of speech came in our country? Because of the newspaper started by the Britishers, right? And in different languages, so people started conveying their thoughts, their ideas, their beliefs to each other, and they comes to know many things about by the newspapers only. So that plays a very important role, right? Now then when we talk about the reforms, like we had already discussed, they have started telegraph system, they have started railways that also connect India in many ways. Then social customs, when we talk, so we have very illicit social customs at that period of time, because of education was very less in our country at that period of time. Like burqa system was there, sati system was there, child marriages was there. So there were many social customs were there. So at that period of time, because of the reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Behramji Malabari, there were many, those who played a very important role to eradicate all such social customs along with Britishers. So that plays a very important role at that period of time. Schooling system started at the time of Britishers only. They have brought English education in our country, right? Like Lord Macaulay, he had started English education, right? And after that, because of the help of Charles Wood, there were 3 universities, very big universities were established in our country, right? In Mumbai was there, Chennai was there, right? So because of that, what happened, because of that the social, because of all these reforms and all these things, what happened, we became more and more vivid because of that, and we became educated after that, right? Many reformists comes into the power. And when we see from economically to socially, so economically definitely we got backward because socially because of this reforms, afterwards it helps our country to get the independence. So the conclusion we can say that Britishers somehow, because of the social impact or because of the social reforms, it helps to give us independence in the last. So this is what the British rule in India, how Britishers came in our country, how they have captured the whole country, how they ruled our country economically, how stable we were, and how they have make us unstable socially, how we became we developed at that period of time. So this is what we had learned from this chapter. Right now, the main we will do the briefing of the exercise also, because exercise also is very important, that what you have to do. Already in worksheet I have given most probably all the questions, but let's discuss exercise. First question is, Europeans felt the need to discover a new sea route to India. Explain the statement, why there was a need. Right, so we had already discussed, right, that because we were doing trade at that period of time, we were exporting muslin, cotton, spices at that period of time, and there was very high demand in the market. So there was a the found to sea route, and what we say, Constantinople has blocked the land route. So we have to find out the new sea route. What reforms did Dalhousie bring about? So he started railway in our country, right? Then telegraph system, English education. There are many other systems that had been started by Dalhousie at that period of time. Then what are the important terms of and condition of the subsidiary alliance system? Here it has already been given. Okay, what are terms and condition on page number 6? Like they have army trained by the East India Company. Then in return, the state accepting the system will provide for the army. Right? This all are the points in the yellow box that you have to write. Right? Then which states were annexed under Dalhousie policy by annexation? So this all are the states that this here the graph has been given or table has been given. From this you have to write down, like for example, annexation by war. So Punjab, Pegu, in that way you have to write. Then annexation due to king dying without heir. So you have to write down this name, right? So in this way you have to write down the whole answer. Okay. Then the brief, give brief information about the Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey, Sirajuddaulah. This already has been given on page number 5. Battle of Plassey. The whole Battle of Plassey paragraph you have to write down. Okay, how Sirajuddaulah was ruling at that period of time. How he has destroyed the fortress. How Robert Clive came. Everything you have to write down. Then explain the economic impact of the company rule in India. dual system, you have to write down how we were independent and then became dependent on British rule, right? How they have imposed revenue taxes and other things. Because of that, we economically collapsed. Then social impact, that what we had already discussed about the newspaper, social custom reforms, English education, university started, that you have to write down in the social impact. So this all you have to write down in this topic.